yourself.
Welcome everyone to the 3rd annual Ratchet Oscars Tea Party. I am your co-host, Andrew.
And I'm his Grandma Jay.
So why don't we get started and have some tea?
What is that contraption? What in the heck are you doing?
It looks like my urine on a really bad day. That's really hot. That's hot. That's hot.
It's cold in here.
Probably from the ice inside your soul. As we juice our tea, Grandma, you saw the Oscars, right? So
That was too late for me.
Oh, this is new carpet.
I think you got that all over the couch and me. Grandma made some of her cookies. Those will make you feel better.
These are Oreos. You did not make those. Grandma, why don't you put that in your mouth and choke on it? What's in these cookies you made?
Flour and sugar. Grandma's secret ingredient.
What's that?
I prefer not to say, but it helps keep Grandma regular.
What did you think of Mel Gibson's Hacksaw Ridge movie? His comeback of a pacifist in the war.
I remember the war.
Oh no.
When my second husband left, I used to have to work in an airplane manufacturing company.
So what did you think of Hell or High Water?
Yeah, well, I used to put rivets on the airplanes. No pants fit me right anymore.
Grandma, did you see any of these movies?
That man looks like my third husband.
He's black.
I was quite a revolutionary.
Grandma, are you getting hungry? I got a Pop-Tart
I
here.
haven't used a toaster in 30 years.
Then I'll just eat both Pop-Tarts.
My fourth husband, he threw one of those in the bathtub. Oh my goodness, what tarnation.
Did you just meme at me? Grandma, I broke our toaster.
Well, my toaster broke my fourth husband.
Well, let's just pretend that it's working.
You're not even my grandchild.
So, Grandma, what'd you think of Lion?
Can I tell you? I'm lying about who your granddaddy is.
I really need a shot.
I was a nurse back in the war. I can give you a shot.
Not that kind of shot, Grandma. You know what? Manchester by the Sea was an interesting movie, and it had some great,
What?
I'm not even quite sure what to
I
talk.
met a man by the sea.
I thought you were
His
dead.
name was Gerald.
Dude, you got baby powder all on my couch. Stop, don't touch it. Just ignore it for now until the video's over. What did you think about the hosting this year by Jimmy Kimmel? You know who Jimmy Kimmel is?
Oh, I know who Jimmy Kimmel is.
So you like the hosting of Jimmy Kimmel?
Yeah, and he's real rich too.
So, did you like his monologue in the beginning?
If it was by Jimmy Kimmel, I liked it.
And the nominations.
The nominations.
Not denominations. This isn't about church, Grandma. And the nominations for Best Picture are...
Land.
City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars.
Answer, you're not even playing it.
Yes, I am. What are you talking about? Arrival.
Grandma's arrived.
Oh no.
Oh, Grandma can't say that word. Heck in high water.
Nice high waters.
Hail. Lion.
Fences.
I built this fence.
Andrew, that's not even a fence. That's a wall.
Trump's America.
Hacking Ridge.
I can't. The dog. Jack, get out of the shot. My socks are wet. I'm gonna save you.
Okay, Grandma.
Oh no. Oh. 1, 2, 3, jump. Jump. I'm gonna save you. Oh, him. What am I?
Always outlive all my children. Matches in the sir.
What are you doing here, Grandma? Moonlight. That moon is lit.
Hidden figure.
What are you doing? Nice figure. Hey, nice figure. Oh.
We have received the controversial envelope as to who the best picture winner actually was. Grandma, may you do the honors.
Okay, son boy.
Okay. Who was the real winner of the 2017 Academy Awards?
Jimmy Kimmel.
No, you have to read it. Don't just say who you want it to be.
I can't read.